Hi everyone, yasas que kalos tate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're gonna warm up with this beef and barley soup. It's so comforting and delicious and easy to make. It all melts together and comes together in one pot. Let's get started. So I have 2 pounds of chuck roast and I'll cut this into about 1 to 2 inch cubes. I don't want to cut it too small because then the beef is going to shred, although I do love shredded beef with barley. There's something about that texture that goes really well. So we're going to cut the roast into chunks. Do it according to the size that you enjoy. We'll season them with a little bit of salt and freshly cracked black pepper. I have my pot heating over medium-high heat. I'll add a tiny bit of olive oil to this because chuck roast does tend to have a lot of fat and you don't want the soup to be too greasy. This is just going to brown in there for a few minutes. I should have done this in 2 batches, but I got a little bit lazy, so it's okay, it won't brown too much. Once the beef is done browning, again, that takes about 5-10 minutes total, transfer it to a platter or a big plate, and then we're gonna add all of the aromatics in here. So I finely chopped 1 onion. I also chopped up 2 celery stalks and some baby carrots. These are all gonna go in and they're gonna cook for about 5 minutes until they're nice and soft. We're going to stir these occasionally. And then I have garlic cloves, about 3 to 5 garlic cloves are going to go in here grated. The garlic will be fragrant in here in about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and add 1 large tablespoon of tomato paste. We'll cook this down a little bit until it deepens in color. And now we'll put the beef back into the pot with 2 bay leaves, a heaping teaspoon or 2 of dried oregano, half a cup of pearl barley, also known as Italian barley. Make sure you rinse it really well and add it in. It takes a long time to cook, so it's perfect to add it in with the beef. If you have time, you could put it in here. A little bit of rosemary would be really good in here too, like a sprig, and some crushed red pepper flakes, crushed tomatoes, so a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes or tomato sauce. So we're going to season it with salt and pepper. 8 cups of beef broth. You can make it homemade or use store-bought. Bring everything to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low and cover it. This is going to simmer for about 2 hours. You want the barley to be nice and soft and melting into the soup. The beef should be falling apart and fork tender. And then you want to give everything a taste to see if it needs more seasoning. You can add a little bit of broth or water during the cooking time if it starts to dry up a little bit. I did add about another cup or so of the beef broth. And so that way it's nice and soupy. If you like it more like a stew, you can just leave it thicker. Taste it and adjust the seasoning if it needs anything more. You can take out the bay leaves. This soup is so delicious and comforting. I like to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice, garnish it with some finely chopped parsley, and it's ready to serve. And there you have it. My Greek-style beef and barley soup is ready. All you need for this is some toasted bread, toasted warm crunchy bread, maybe a nice salad, and this soup is going to be so heartwarming and cozy and delicious. The beef just melts in your mouth. The barley also cooks long enough where it's almost melted into the soup. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It stays fresh in the fridge for a while, so you can make a big batch. You can eat it all week long. I know a lot of cultures start off their meal with a soup, so this is perfect for that, just to start off with this hearty, delicious soup. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. You can print it out on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yasas.